I had to. You guys, I had to buy these. I am so excited. I love Oreos. Come on, do you love Oreos? Hey guys, welcome back. It is Wednesday evening and we're having coffee. And we're going to do a taste test. Don't mind all the mess in the background. And I apologize for the lighting. I'm in my bedroom because everybody's home and I hate recording in front of people. But today we're going to do a taste test. I finally bought them. I really wanted the Chips Ahoy kind, but this is all they had. So we're going to be trying the Oreo cookies, the Post Oreos. Let's see, guys. I'm excited. I love trying the new cereals. I gotta check Wegmans for the Chips Ahoy. I bet you it's so good. It doesn't smell like an Oreo. Do you guys want to smell? It smells like Cocoa Puffs. Nothing like an Oreo. What a disappointment. I mean, they're good. Honest to God, these are Cocoa Puffs shaped like a Cheerio. Yeah. I wouldn't waste the calories on them. They had them on sale at my store for $2.50. I wouldn't have paid any more. I definitely am going to try the Chips Ahoy. I hope they're better. So I give this a thumbs down, guys. I don't like them. Let me know in the comments if you've tried them and if you've liked these. So I'll be anxious to see what you guys think of them. My vote, nope, I won't eat these. If I'm gonna waste calories, it won't be on this. Alright guys, well I guess I'm gonna go sip my coffee some more. Thank you guys for watching. I love yous. Bye.